Taliswaba. I am Sittwe your Miss Grand Sittwe 2026. I stand as the proud voice of Sittwe. Nothing in my life came easy. To reach this stage, I have to fight through times, pain, and the countless of challenges. I have fallen more times than I can count. But every fall didn't just break me, it just rebuilt me. That's why I'm stronger, wiser, and more resilient than ever. I stand here not just an individual. My mission is to show the unity, courage, and the excellence of Rakhine people. This is our history, this is our culture, and it is my honor to its forward. I believe that beauty alone is not enough. It must be accompanied by responsibility, leadership, and a commitment to survive. That's why I'm actively lead social project focused on legal awareness and education. As a law student, I have seen that many people lack proper understanding of the law, which often result in the loss of their rights and justice. Through my project, I share legal knowledge, awareness, and empower individuals to understand their rights and to protect themselves with confidence. My work is not just about education, it is about empowerment, it is about giving people a voice. As a Khmer queen who has resigned through the fire, I'm here to make our identity recognized and our pride shine brighter than ever on Miss Grand Myanmar stage. Let's make together a history. I am Sittwe Miss Grand Sittwe.